What's up, YouTube? Hey, we are going after our first marlin. This is me and my wife. This is Cabo San Lucas, and we're in the taxi. Let me tell you, dude, I could not get any sleep last night like a kid. Going to Christmas, went to bed at 7 o'clock, and I woke up at 11 o'clock, and I was like, baby, what time is it? And she was like, it's 11 o'clock, bro. So probably woke up about 6 or 7 times. We're doing it epic today. We got a little contest. We're gonna be having a Lee versus Desiree marlin catch-off. Who catches the biggest marlin for a $5,000 prize? She wants new diamond earrings. I want a huge fish mount for my backyard. What do you think, baby? You think who's gonna catch the biggest fish?
Me, for sure.
Oh, that was very, very confident. We will see who the winner is, and let's check out this boat. Look at this 70-foot Hatteras, nice bad motherfucker. We got the Rasta man. Oh, best part about this thing is we're gonna do it in comfort and style. And we got our man here. What's your name, buddy?
Eduardo.
Eduardo. He's got us breakfast. Hey! We're cruising now, boy. We're headed out to the marlin spot. On the way out, though, we're gonna get some big mahi, man. I'm telling you, we got a captain here. This guy's won a lot of fishing tournaments, and this guy's gonna put us on the fish. This is 70-foot Hatteras, and we are going offshore, my friend, with 35 years, huh? You ever take this boat on any tournaments?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
Marlin.
Blue and black marlin.
Blue and black marlin, huh? What's the biggest prize the boat's ever won?
Second place 3 years ago.
Oh, nice. How big was the fish?
745.
745 pounds. Woo! You get big tip if we get something that big today. Woo! Woohoo! Here we go. Dang. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Uh-huh. Nice. All right, let the fun begin. We got to get the mahi and the tuna first. We're not to the marlin grounds. We're going to secure some food to eat. Remember, the challenge is biggest marlin, but we still going to get a variety. Baby, what do you think about this? Sometimes it's okay to splurge. You can't be freezing up on camera. Why the fuck? The big mahi are right here on the boat. We can see them. Fixing to throw them. Oh, a lot of dolphin, big dolphin out here. Not the baby dolphins. Oh no, those are tuna too. Oh no, those are a bunch of baby dolphins. Okay, Desiree is up first. She's way too sexy for this fish. Way too sexy for this fish. Oh, that's a good one. Gotta use your back, girl. There you go. Oh. We're hooked up. We got big old whales blowing off air all around us. Shit jumping off behind us. You gotta keep it moving, girl. You gotta keep it moving, girl. We're gonna get our work in today, just the two of us. We got a whole crew taking care of us. My man Eduardo made a badass breakfast. And Desiree, you think he'll be able to handle rolling in about 10, 20 of these fish? He's going hard in the paint. Looks like we might have a yellowfin tuna.
What size tuna? And we got it down to buy some food strangers. You know what it means when I taste these flames. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit?
Is that fun, baby?
Yeah. 5. You can, okay,
All right, here we are live in the action. Remember, we got a contest going on here. This girl, are you excited about this fish that I'm going to put on our wall? Huh?
I'm actually really more excited for my new Desiree.
Oh, God. Oh, we got a marlin over here. Potential marlin. I'm up next. This could be me, Desiree. We're going back to back. This could be my fish. Hold on, let's get a look at it. Hey! Oh, there he is. He's big. You see him, Desiree? You guys see us? We missed him. All right, guys, things are heating up. You might ask, why do you go to this extreme and rent a big boat like this? You got a whole crew. My wife didn't ask me those questions. Do you think this is excessive, dear?
No, not at all.
We deserve it. As a matter of fact, the hidden genius behind RCA, it's not me. It's actually this young woman right. Hey, when you met me, do you remember all the organization and possessions I had over there in Norcross?
Yeah.
What did my apartment look like, dear?
Like just 2 guys living in there. Extra gross.
2 guys.
Yeah.
We were making more than some doctors, and yet we lived on air mattresses like savages and partied like animals. It was a long stretch from where we are today, and our company has had to reinvent itself over and over again. It's
I've grown it already.
There's probably 30, 40 people working in there to make it possible for us to live the blue-collar American dream out here. But girl, I'm just pumped up about this big, huge marlin that's gonna be on our wall. Aren't you excited about this fish that I'm gonna catch? Because I'm catching the biggest fish, and the winner of this contest is getting to spend $5,000 in prize money. However, he or she wants.
So far, I caught the biggest tuna. So
Okay, well, here's the deal, dear. So the winner of this fishing contest is either getting 2-carat diamond earrings or a mounted blue marlin for the catch of a lifetime. And I've got something for the end, a very surprise. Stay tuned. My wife's gonna be involved in a lot more of the content, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and we're going after bucket list fish. Here we go. Yeah. Hotel sashimi here with some ceviche and some soy sauce and a hot mama that brought the meat home for daddy.
We got a marlin on the line. Go for the chair. Go para afuera, go para afuera. Wait till it stops? Yeah, wait a little bit and take it slow. Put them out and reel down. Yeah. Stop, put them on the floor and reel down again. Up and reel down. Okay, they got us hooked up. I don't know what the chef put on the hot sauce, but as soon as I put a bite of that yellowtail in my mouth, man, we had a marlin on, and this guy's been running maybe 10 minutes. It's a striped marlin. The captain says until you saw his dorsal fin come up. We're just getting started here. Really gonna have some fun. Whenever I get to mount this fish, you don't get those earrings. My number one question, Christian, yes sir. How dumb are these fish? How long does it take them to get caught again?
Maybe like a 15 minutes, I think. So you got a big muscular for that, a couple marlin more.
Okay, we catch the same one.
Striper, there is a striper.
It's a striper.
Striper.
Hey.
Wow. Nice.
Hey.
Look
Look at that. Her name is Sally.
Oh, Sally. Ahí le quiero la primera puerta. La otra.
Hey, good night. Good night, buddy.
You ready for the picture?
Woo! We got the bucket list fish, and we're sitting here talking about shit. Can't help, even though we're in cell phone range, to get some business calls. And I was talking about the real genius behind our RCA. I want to ask you, audience members, to comment on this dilemma that we have going on here. What do you think is right? Do you think Desiree's right, or do you think I'm right? We had a Christmas party. It was very extravagant. Gave away a lot of Rolexes, 15 Rolexes. Had people come in from all over, and they charged some things to their room. We're out here on the ocean, and my beautiful wife here says, no, you're gonna have to call either one of them sales reps individually and get that money. Baby, why can't we just put it on their ISR?
Because then it's just gonna happen again and again and again.
Oh my God.
Never happened in the first place.
Oh my God, laying our foot down here out in the middle of the ocean. Hopefully we catch another fish, but I'm up. I'm mountain fish. You ain't getting no earrings, but you're up. You think you got what it takes to reel one of these big boys in? They dump them everywhere.
Dale, ya te cerraron aquí. Dale la vuelta, hijo. Dale la vuelta.
There's marlin are out there jumping like crazy. They're fucking jumping out of the water. Nobody's hooked up yet, though, are they?
Este güey le ganó más aquí, pero se atravesó.
Oh shit. We gotta make some adjustments, throw out the audibles here.
Dale, échale el tilicero. Échatelo. Dale, güey, hijo.
of the shit everywhere going crazy. Marlin everywhere. We're gonna try to get a double hookup here.
Te digo, hay que dar la vuelta, no quieres dar vuelta, no podemos ni sacarla ahí. Hay vuelta, hay vuelta. Right, that's big a little bit.
Desiree's got the lighter pole, but is she going to get the bigger fish? That's the question. We've got a contest. Diamond earrings, or are we mounting the fish? She's on the last 5-minute leg, and I haven't helped her a bit. Know is which one is bigger. We have a contest. We need to know. Oh my God, we got a real Mexican standoff here. It's a draw, and they're the same size. She got one. It was the same size.
No, mine was bigger.
No, he says they're the same size. So here's the deal. In conclusion of this episode, you get the diamond earrings. I get the mount. We both win.
Woo!
Yeah.
Under the volley, guys. Woo, look like the same size. I don't know.
All right, guys, all good trips come to an end. We're here at our balcony about to head home, and we said we had a big surprise for you. What's the surprise, dear?
That we're giving away a trip to Cabo.
Oh, that's right. We're going to be having a mastermind here in Cabo. We're coming back for Blue Marlin, Black Marlin. What you're going to have to do is participate in the National Roofing League. There's going to be more info. First thing you need to do is subscribe to get notifications. More importantly, I just want you to know, look, life is about seizing the opportunity. We didn't hear about this vacation like 2 weeks before it happened. Could have been the best vacation of our life. So opportunity comes, you got to jump on it. And little secret here, we actually both wanted a mount. We made a little game out of it. She gets her diamond earrings, I get my mount. We all win. It was a draw, Monster Marlin. And for anybody that wants to come out here and cross it off the bucket list, this is one hell of a place. Yesterday also, we had an awesome experience. About kill you yesterday?
Oh, I was scared.
We were real scared. We got the fastest razor, went all throughout the sand. We got some good photos. We're gonna leave you with those photos. Encourage everybody to come visit Cabo San Lucas. This Hard Rock Hotel's been amazing. The fishing captain at the Going Fishing and Lands End Charter was amazing. So guys, I just want to tell y'all, like and subscribe, participate in the National Roofing League, and you could win a chance, a free trip to Cabo in our upcoming Sky Diamonds Elite Mastermind.